Hello, Professor Ramstrom, and welcome to our program.
Hello.
Can you use very simple words to explain what is about this year's Nobel Prize in Chemistry?
This year's prize is all about how to see our smallest molecules in the living cells in the body, in our bodies. Right? You can see with this method that the three laureates have developed, you can actually get images, very detailed images of the small building blocks in our cells, like the proteins, for example, in the cells. And we can see very detailed structure of these proteins or these molecules, and that will help us to understand how they actually work and how they operate together in the living machinery in our bodies.
What's the importance for either mankind or future research or?
Well, it's enormously important, I would say, for mankind because, as you know, we need to know more about our living organisms, and especially the human organism, I would say, to understand, how we work, and also how we should treat, for example, disorders and diseases that we get. Right? And this is an enormously important tool to be able to do that. Right? So we can see, using this method, we can actually see very detailed structures of the machinery, and also of the structures that can actually, try to invade us, like viruses and bacteria. We can see them, so how they go into the body. We can see how they interact and how they actually damage. And this is, of course, very important, right, for our health and our understanding on how we should actually combat these kind of problems, or also other types of diseases that we may have.
So you mean this is an important method?
It's a very important method. Yes, it's a very important method for us to understand how the building blocks, how the machinery of the cells actually work on a very detailed level, actually at almost atomic level. You can actually see the structure at a very, very nice, very fine level. And so you can see all the little atoms, how they sit together, how they interact with one another to form large structures, large complexes of proteins, and how these proteins can actually interact with one another and work together, right, in the body. Right? And this is very important.
Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.